Good. Line your studs all back up. Screw them in real nice. Got your new wall. We pulled a nice chalk line on that bottom. I feel pretty confident. It's probably straighter than it ever was. We're going with it. What do you say?
Yeah. I still got to put it back in though, don't I?
That's great. I think if you can stay away from this spot right here, you should be good.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no reason to be over there.
Okay. Straps. Break me.
Yeah, it won't look like that.
Alright, recording, buddy. All you.
Yeah, I'm cool.
Show your work. This will get the best views, I'm telling you.
Ouch.
Like underpin.
You on me stuff. I'll be good to go.
Light go, Paul. Flashlight.
we go. Yeah, put it on that shelf. Over there laying down something. No. Huh?
Let's see what's going on down here.
Did I give you my knife?
Nope.
I got it in my pocket.
That's my knife.
Got it in my pocket, buddy.
Gonna have to get rid of this. Let me see what you got going on right here. What's going on back here? A mess. Oh my God. It's a mess. Put my little metal protection back there.
Done?
Oh. Low. No idea, Paul. No idea. Oh, there it is. Take me over to bed.
That's right.
What's up with that? Bottom plate. Hell, I can believe I can pull that stuff out, Tom. Yeah. I can definitely pull that out. Especially with a little chisel. Somewhere over there. Insulation. Now this covered it from the outside. Hey, Paul.
Yeah.
I want to take that piece of metal off.
Okay.
Was it off over there?
Huh?
It was off on the other side, right?
Yeah, but
I want to be able to put a new one up there on top of our insulation, covering it so that when we do our overpack on our outside, it's covered. I don't want water to be able to run down this and then underneath the insulation from the outside skirt.
Yeah, we need to put a piece of metal over top of that. We're gonna take it off. We'll go right over top of it. Won't hurt nothing.
Is it going everywhere else?
This whole side is not.
Huh?
This whole side's not.
But the other side was?
Yeah.
Gone.
Yeah.
I just assume take it off. But it's not here. Where is it? Just right here?
Right there, all the way to that end.
I'm looking right here and take that out wherever, just where we're working.
Okay.
I'm taking it off.
Give me snips.
I don't like it. Snips?
Yeah.
I don't have a pair of snips right here.
Yeah.
What do you need? A
No,
sawzall?
you cutters.
Oh, cutters. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got some back there.
Yeah. Let me see the sawzall then. I do the same thing.
Yeah, right where you're ending it right there. Let's take that off and put a new piece out there. I like that better. I mean, it doesn't need to be there. Plus, we're gonna.
Let me see the sawzall.
I don't want to go over the top of the old one.
You know, metal in it?
Yep. I just don't want to go over the top of the old one.
Wait, I got you.
Wait, don't like it. Could put a strip over it, but I don't think it's the best way to go. Man, these weeds, I can't fucking believe how far they grew up the wall. Try to pull a weed out and it pulls everything down.
Hey, keep that on going.
Yeah, that'd be so much
Keep
better.
that on going.
That one's down.
I can't put one pin on.
What?
I can't put one pin on.
Why?
That's that bamboo.
It's bad?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so that's what we need to do.
Yeah.
I'm glad we took it off. Oh yeah, let's replace it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. You gotta fix that thing.
I'll wait till the closet.
Alright. Well, that's what we gotta do. I'm glad we took that off.
Yep.
I told us something in there. I'm glad we took it off. You need this?
No.
We got a bolt back there. Took it off and found a rotten band. Rotted on the bottom of it, huh?
Yeah, it's rotten. Ham to it.
Yep. Dick.
Okay. Double all the way back to there, dude.
Huh?
Double all the way back to there.
Double what?
Double.
Oh, Lord.
Double piece of metal.
That's crazy. Why did I do that?
Here you go.
I would have seen that band on that. I was taking it off first thing. Notice, I forgot about it on the back. It wasn't there. Get rid of that. Let's see what.
strap. Hold on, I got a strap. You hold that a little bit?
No, not right now. No. Can't go any further. That's it.
You go from the inside cut then. Put your piece of metal up there.
I don't want my seam to fall apart.
No, I'll put a screw in it.
Huh?
I put a screw in it?
No. No. And it's already come apart, so I don't want to do any more.
Right. Sounds like this. Take your piece of metal, put behind it, and cut it.
Yeah, it's right on that seam.
Yeah.
Let me have. Where's your screw bit? That's what's wrong. Your
You got a little bit behind you.
Oh, I can see what I need right here. Where's the snip? Get right off there.
Give her a couple in there.
Huh?
Still got something over it.
Right here, I see it. I don't know. I turn it over.
Do that, I can knock that one off.
I was looking for my wire cutters.
Thing up a little bit.
Out here, right?
I don't know.
I don't like these. I'm letting this around too much. I can reattach this strap when we're done.
Huh?
There we go. There we go.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, there we go.
Fucking foam.
One more. That was just a
Lubrication.
yeah, something like that.
Off video. So you cannot play this video. And no way to get it back, eh?
No,
You got to knock that block out.
even sawzalls that cut it.
Bottom. Across the bottom. And then snip that out. There it goes, snips out. You gotta play with that last one down there.
Huh?
You gotta play with that last one down there. Instead of bolt the bottom of it.
That piece coming out, right?
Yeah, it's coming out.
Half of it.
Yeah, as soon as you bust this, that's the way you want to get that.
Oh yeah, I see it. Oh yeah. There's a lot of stuff going on there. Okay, hold on. Let me fix this seam before I go any further. I have to go get a turn bar screw. Okay. Yeah, buddy.
You got it jacked up.
Hammer.
Wait on it. Wait on two of them. There you go.
Okay, get into it. Another board on the other side holding me up. Here, hold that skirt out. I can probably hit it. I'm just, yeah, I just don't want to beat the siding out. Here. Okay. That strap's holding it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I had to push them. You had to push them that way. Yeah, you got it now. That's the
No,
way
that's not the strap I'm talking about.
Another strap.
Whoop. Got it. I don't need these, I need the cutters. Really? What you need, buddy?
That number?
Yes, sir. Yep.
95 and a quarter, 96 and a quarter.
Quarter.
What wood, treated wood?
Give me a piece of treated board. Can't hurt.
I got it.
I like treated. If this thing ever gets wet again, instead of this old white wood, treated's not gonna hurt. Nothing. Stupid camera. Can't believe it's doing that. Tin.
Healthy boy. It's a healthy boy. You should go right sit on top of your beam.
No, plus you have insulation board. Remember? Insulation board, 1/2 inch.
Yeah, but most of them drop down.
Look, see where I'm at? I can put my finger on it.
Yeah, paint it. Yeah. You got to push that wee bottom of your rubber band.
But you can see, because it's got that insulation board underneath it.
Yeah.
I am. With my finger right there, I'm flush with the other one.
Yeah, yeah.
Put yours where it needs to go. You'll be up too.
Yeah, I'm right there. That's where I need to be at.
That's insulation board.
Yeah. Put a screw in. Yeah, I'm not worried about this. You be even with the bottom.
Actually, let's see, come back out. You can put a double on that other thing.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, them bits hold a whole lot better.
Yeah.
Think I need to go up, go down.
Up just a little bit, right there. Came out something.
That came up top. Thing we had on it.
Yep. That's the one that needs the piece on top.
Oh, yeah.
Getting the, needs that 3/4 strip on the inside.
Yep, yep.
Down just a little bit. Yep, right up a little bit. Right there.
Right. Right, move it.
Why not?
When you start it in, you moved it.
Trying to go straight. Yeah, do it.
Right, move
Come down then.
it.
Just keep it coming down.
Yeah.
That did it.
I get it.
I said that did it.
Yeah, oh, I said I get, thought you said I get it. It does look better.
Oh, a lot better. We're gonna put our stuff back in there. See how much it bent down?
Oh yeah.
The walls are up that far.
Huh? And that lady. That's another one that needs to keep up on the top, over top of 3/4 board. So you ain't got much screw to there. I'm right there. Got plenty of meat.
They're doubling it. How to replace the band board.
That's right. Just hanging around.
How to replace the band board. Sweet ball.
You get the bolts. On my silver stuff, gonna sit on top of that stuff.
Yeah.
I need to get a bolt. Put it in, put the bolt back in.
I'll go get it. Next time I want to fill these in, I'll pull that crap out. And
You won't do that for.
Huh?
Well, you won't do that for.
what do I want to leave it in there for?
You know what? Nothing. They take our bolts, put back into the bolts, put back in there, put back up tight.
Okay.
Yeah, switchboard's gonna cover that.
Where that bolt that came out? Just anywhere around here. Okay.
I think I threw it away. The only thing it is that's a 3/8 bolt.
Yeah.
About 3 inches long.
3 inches?
Yeah, well, you ain't gonna 3.5 inches, Dick.
I'll go that deep.
Yeah, I'll go 2.
Yeah.
That's what I'll be putting in it, 2-inch
No
bolts.
doubt. Where is it? There.
And I got the socket set here. So you might always go ahead and grab at least 7 of them. So you have some for the other side too. Or 10 of them. You go ahead and grab 10 of them because I gotta have about 4 on the other side.
Looks straight.
No, yeah.
Looks straight the rest of the way, pretty much. I mean, I can see anyway. I can't see even past that piece of plastic metal that's hanging down.
I cut that all the way out. And whoever hit that one, they messed it up.
That had to be during travel.
I jacked it up.
Huh?
When I jacked it up.
Really?
Yep.
Jacking on that.
This jacking on the beam, jacked it there.
Pulled it and right up. Bet when he bent it up and it fell, that scared the crap out of somebody.
No doubt. Yeah, they had pressure on it. That's for sure.
Let's get inside and get them doubled up.
Yep.
Get some doubles on them things before I even think about the bolt.
Yep.
And then it'll be time.
I don't think hold it over down. Axles. Take the axles out and my pie jump off the box.
Yeah.
That'd be beautiful.
It's gonna be nice. Let's get our doubles in from the top.